Let me ask you a simple question. If the Nigerian Naira keeps losing value today, where do you keep your money so it does not lose meaning? If the Nigerian Naira keeps losing value today, where do you keep your money so it does not lose meaning? If your Nigerian bank restricts your account today, how will you move your money? That question is not random. During the financial crisis in 2008, someone created a new form of money that requires no bank, no institution, no financial body. And yes, you guessed it right. That is Bitcoin. Some people say Bitcoin is a scam. Others say Bitcoin is magic money. But what is Bitcoin? Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so that you don't miss the coming videos that can help you in this crypto space. Number one, Bitcoin is not magic money. In fact, Bitcoin is not a scam. Let me explain. Bitcoin is digital money, but not the type of money that you keep in your bank or that you keep and carry around. Bitcoin runs on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public record of transactions whereby everybody can see all the transactions, but nobody knows who is transacting on those transactions, and that is why it is anonymous. This means that you can send money directly to someone anywhere, anytime, without needing a permission from a bank or a central authority. Okay, let me go back in time. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto, an anonymous person or group of persons, released a document called peer-to-peer form of transaction, and that is the white paper or the document that comes with Bitcoin. It explained fully what Bitcoin is all about. Remember that I said I want to make this very, very easy for you. In a simple word, Bitcoin is money designed for people, not institutions. Bitcoin was created to challenge a traditional financial system, which I believe that you have experienced before. Personally, as Nigerians, we understand restrictions, we understand inflation, we understand how our Nigerian Naira value keeps going down, and this is where Bitcoin comes in. Bitcoin is not perfect. Please know this today. Bitcoin is not perfect, but many people see it as a way to move money freely, and others see it as a store of value. So how do you actually buy Bitcoin? To buy Bitcoin, you need two things. You need a wallet and an exchange. A wallet is like your wallet, like your purse, where you keep the Bitcoin. Remember that we said Bitcoin is digital money. So you will be needing a software wallet where you can keep those Bitcoin and they will be recorded on the blockchain. The second one is an exchange. An exchange is a marketplace where you go to buy your Bitcoin. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the both. Please make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Now, let's do this together. So get your wallet address. First thing you want to do is you want to go to your Chrome App Store, or you want to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download an app called Trust Wallet. So you download an app called Trust Wallet. When you download the app, you'll be given a 12-secret password. This 12-secret password, you want to make sure that you keep it very well. If you lose it, your money is gone. If someone else has the password with them, your money is gone. So one of the things you want to do is you want to make sure that you keep your Trust Wallet account very well and keep it correctly. So next thing you want to do is, after you sign up, you can create new wallet to give it surface password. I have already signed up. Next thing to do is you want to click on search bar and search for BTC. So when you click on Bitcoin, there is an address attached to every app. So you click on receive. This is your wallet. This is my wallet address. Same way you will see your own wallet address, but this is my own wallet address. So at this particular point that my wallet address is showing, I can now copy this address and paste it to crypto exchange that I can use it in buying cryptocurrency. Please, you want to make sure that this address is not to be edited. It is to be copied and pasted. It is to be copied and pasted because it is case sensitive, meaning that you should not exchange a capital letter for a small letter. So I can copy my address and we are good to go. So I click on copy and we are good to go. So next thing is we now go to the marketplace to buy the Bitcoin. We are going to the marketplace now to buy the Bitcoin. So for the marketplace to buy Bitcoin, we'll be needing MEXC.com. If you are using apps, if you are using your mobile phone, if it's Apple, you can check it on your App Store or your Play Store, right? Search for MEXC. When you search for MEXC, one of the things you want to do is you want to first sign up. You'll be required to put in a referral code put in Elite IO as your referral code. Elite IO as your referral code. This will open a lot of opportunities for you. Next thing you want to do is you want to get registered on your account. If you're a Nigerian, you can register with a valid NIN, voter's card, driver's license, or any ID card that has been recognized by the national government. So for my own case, I've already signed up and I have registered. So let's go to buying the Bitcoin. Now for the buying of Bitcoin, there are two ways you can buy it. The first way is to get US dollars from other vendors online. That could probably lead you to a loss. Second way is to buy it on the app using either P2P or the payment platform. Now for the payment platform, which is what you are seeing here, for the payment platform, which is what you are seeing here, next thing you want to do is you want to input the amount of Naira that you have. If it is 5,000 Naira, you can put in 5,000 Naira here, and you're going to convert it to US dollar for you. USDT is the digital dollar. It's the digital version of United States dollar, right? So once you click on this, once you click on 5,000, to let you know, the minimum you can buy is 5,000 Naira. To let you know the conversion of it to USDT. So for instance, if I'm buying for 5,000 Naira, I'll be getting $3.5, and I can buy with my bank transfer, meaning that I can transfer from any Nigerian bank to the platform. So you can follow the prompt, transfer it, and you have USDT in your wallet. So after you are done buying the USDT in your wallet, next thing you want to do is you want to now buy this particular coin on spot. Before you buy on spot, you want to make sure that this USDT is on your wallet. This is a very, very important thing. You want to make sure that this USDT is on your wallet. So when you click on the wallet icon or the wallet icon on your page, you should be able to see your USDT reflecting. For my own case, I'll click on wallets or asset overview. Under the asset overview, you can now see that I have 10 US dollars on this account. 10 US dollars. So we'll be using this 10 US dollars to take our first trade on how to buy the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So next thing we'll do is we click on sports. When you click on sports, or you can first click on market, anyone. So let's click on market. Market will show you different types of cryptocurrency that they are trading on this particular exchange. One of the things you want to know is that for you to buy Bitcoin, you need to have USDT. I will call this marketplace. You want me to teach you a video, you want me to create a video on how all of these work, let me know in the comment section, and please make sure you are subscribed to our channel. So I'll click on BTC USDT. By clicking on Bitcoin USDT, it's going to lead us to where we can now buy Bitcoin on spot. So this is the dashboard to where you can now buy your first Bitcoin. You want me to create a video to explain how this whole full thing works? Let me know in the comment section. So next thing we want to do is, you can see that we have our USDT deposited on this exchange. Next thing we want to do is we want to click on market. I want to drag this thing or whatever percentage you want to use. So let's say you want to buy just $5 worth of Bitcoin. You can just input 5. But for the case of this example, I'll be buying $10.2 worth of Bitcoin. Then I'll click on buy BTC. If I'm using the market will allow you buy immediately. That's the purpose of market. Limit order will allow you buy at a preferred price. So I've just clicked on the buy, and now I can now say that I have my Bitcoin in my wallet. It's as simple as that. So let's check the wallet and check how our Bitcoin is now reflecting on the wallet page. So please make sure you are subscribed to this channel, as this is the only way you don't miss out on more simple and honest crypto education that is coming in the future. Now I have my USDT has been deducted. Now I have my Bitcoin in my wallet. You can see that yes, we have Bitcoin, which is $10.16. So this is a simple way to can buy and own your Bitcoin currency. So next thing you want to do, if you want to do it, is to now send out your Bitcoin to your trust wallet by clicking on withdraw and pasting your wallet address. Remember we said that wallet address, when it comes to cryptocurrency, they are alphanumeric, and the only thing you need to do is to copy and paste them. So for the case of this example, I can try to copy this and paste the address But if you don't need it, you can actually leave it on the website. It's as simple as ABC. So right now I want to withdraw, and to withdraw, all you need to do is to copy your wallet address and paste it here. That is all you need to do. Copy your wallet address and paste it here. That is your Bitcoin wallet address and paste it here. That is all we need. And click on network, which is Bitcoin network, and you send it. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. But you don't have to send out your Bitcoin to your wallet. You can just keep it on the exchange. Thank you.